For this video, we're going to show a new feature in the TRM software catalog we call ScreenShaver. ScreenShaver is an ability for front-end users to individually filter down their screens to only display their relevant data. Users are able to do this in front-end Maximo, and, just as with other TRM products, it's done via simple point and click. Let's demo it now. I'll log in as Wilson and navigate to work order tracking. I'll open any record, then in the Action menu, I'll choose User Configuration, select Fields to hide. This will open a dialog and highlight everything that can be selected to be hidden for that user. This includes tabs, fields, tables, and sections. So now I can click to select the fields I want to hide. In this case, I'm going to hide the flow fields because the user doesn't need to see those. Additionally, I'll hide the class field. This user also doesn't need to see that field in their general day-to-day work. I can also hide the configuration item multipart or even the description part of the multipart if I want to. I'll select the address information section to hide that entire section. And I'll select the multiple assets, locations, and CIs table to hide that as well, since this user doesn't need to see that data. I'll scroll back up to the top and right-click on the Map tab to hide that. This user doesn't need to see the Maps tab in Maximo. I can even hide things on other tabs. For example, I'll click on the Failure Reporting tab, choose the Select Fields button to allow me to select the controls, and then I'll choose the Remarks fields to hide them. Now that they're selectable, I'll just click on them as well. When I'm finished, all I need to do is click on the Apply button in my dialog. This will apply those hidden fields for this user. It'll redirect me back to the Start Center where I could proceed back to the work order tracking application in order to test my hidden fields. Again, I'll select any record, and you can see my fields are hidden. There's no flow fields, my class field is gone, my maps tab is hidden as well. If I scroll down, my table and my section have both been hidden for this user. Going to the Failure Reporting tab, you can see my remarks attributes are hidden. Now, if I do need to see these, I can simply go to the User Configuration option and choose Toggle Field Hiding. It'll show all the fields that I've hidden. There are my remarks, there's my map, and there are my flow fields, my class attribute, and my table and my section. That covers it for ScreenShaver. Note that these permissions are set up in a security group, so any user that you want to have access to ScreenShaver can be simply added by placing them in the ScreenShaver security group. Contact us at support@trmnet.com with any questions about this or our other products.